Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites. Update Roblox and your device OS so compatibility issues are removed. Once done, log out of Roblox, clear the app cache or browser cache, then fully restart the device. This forces fresh network and file states. Make sure you write down the exact error wording, ID 17, and any status codes or timestamps. This information will guide the next steps and avoid unnecessary actions. Now move to targeted connectivity and account checks. Next, you tackle network and account causes. First, switch to wired Ethernet or another Wi-Fi network and try toggling a VPN because ID 17 often means blocked or misrouted connections. Then verify your Roblox account status. No bans, correct age settings, and matching device links, because permission mismatches trigger errors. In parallel, reset the router, flush local DNS, and ensure required ports aren't blocked by your firewall. These steps isolate whether it's network routing or account authorization, causing ID 17. To finish, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall completely, remove residual folders, then install the app from the official store so corrupted files are replaced. Once installed, sign in and test. If the error persists, collect logs, screenshots, and device details and contact Roblox support. Include the ID 17 text and steps you've tried. As a troubleshooting tip, try logging in on a different device or a temporary new account. If that works, the issue is account-specific, and support can target it more efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.